most extreme overreaction you've witnessed. So I was at this fancy restaurant, right? My friend Sarah ordered a steak well done. The waiter, this super intense guy with a handlebar mustache, looked like he'd seen a ghost. He took her order, but you could tell he was fuming. A few minutes later, the manager comes out, practically in tears, apologizing profusely while explaining how their chef, a culinary artist, was refusing to cook a steak to such an ungodly state. Sarah just wanted a well-done steak, not a 5-act tragedy. Then the manager offers to comp our entire meal if she'd just reconsider. Sarah, totally deadpan, just said, "Medium rare, please." We ate like queens, and the chef apparently emerged from the kitchen looking shell-shocked, but ultimately proud.